5 ways to increase your bench press. Most people who go to the gym want a big bench press. There are so many different training techniques out there, it's hard to decide which one to listen to. But pushing your body to the limit involves proper training and diet, the right mindset, and good technique. Follow on for tips and tricks on how to increase your bench press. Mastering the technique. Your technique may be keeping you from realizing a stronger bench press. Not employing the right technique, in fact, can drive pounds and pounds from your regular press and keep you from finding your true max. 2. Master the grip. Grab the bar a little wider than shoulder width apart, holding it close to your wrists, not your fingers. A wide grip messes with the balance of the weight, while a closed grip activates your triceps more than your chest. Squeeze the bar tightly. Pretend that you're trying to break it as you begin. This will prime your triceps and get you in a fighting mood. Keep your feet driven into the ground. They're there to support you. Keep your elbows tucked near your sides. Don't let them flop out as you lift. Don't lift your chest or arch your back to push the bar up. Your arms, not your back, should be doing the work. You may start in a slightly arched position, but don't arch your back and keep your feet driven into the ground. They're there to support you. Keep your elbows tucked near your sides. Don't let them flop out as you lift. Don't lift your chest or arch your back to push the bar up. Your arms, not your back, should be doing the work. You may start in a slightly arched position, but don't arch your back in order to get that last rep.
If you're enjoying, like the video and subscribe to the channel, it helps my work a lot. And don't forget to activate the bell to receive all notifications. Thanks.
4. Lift fast. While you want to be deliberate, it won't pay to lift 12 reps in 2 minutes. Make the lifting process one continuous movement, without bouncing off your chest, and at most take a break of 1 minute in between sets. 5. Pay attention to bench press don'ts. While the bench press technique isn't rocket science, there are things that you can do on the bench that can cause injury or keep you from maximizing your training. Pay attention to them. Don't let the bar bounce off your chest. It's more work to hover the bar right over the chest, instead of bouncing it off the chest. This work will translate into more power. When lifting, keep your wrists pointed up towards the sky, not out to the back of your head. Keeping your wrists out, as opposed to up, will increase the load your wrist joints carry.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.